Welcome to AIT Institute's English Language Program. This is where you learn English, the world's most spoken language. At AIT, our English course will help you speak better, understand different cultures, and love learning new things. First-year students, the Communicative English A and B class will help you talk better in English. You will be able to express your thoughts and converse in simple English. We understand that speaking a foreign language can be scary. One of our goals for you is to build confidence when speaking it. We want you to have fun communicating in English. All of you will have the opportunity to learn in an English-only environment from native English speakers. Our staff of native English speakers work hard to provide students with classes where all students feel comfortable to participate. We make sure you do well by providing enjoyable lessons, materials, and a friendly place to learn and grow. In Communicative English C and D, you will gain confidence in using English in real-life situations, like at work, and learning about such important global topics as climate change, sustainability, and circular economy. With our special teaching methods, everyone can communicate with English speakers. With our project-based learning method, you can develop the ability to design your own learning process, focusing on your interests. You will learn to analyze problems and propose solutions. From your second year, you will learn about language and culture of English-speaking countries to enhance your understanding of the world and improve your English skills. If you take the elective course English Language and Culture, you will have a close look at the cultural histories of such countries as the UK and the United States through reading books and watching movies. This course will help you to see the cultural dimension of social problems and become more tolerant toward cultural differences. Learning about other cultures improves your ability to communicate and cooperate with colleagues from different backgrounds in global companies and design products that can be used all over the world. For those of you who are interested, we also have TOEIC courses. You will learn the fundamentals of the TOEIC test and will be expected to challenge yourselves to raise your score. For those of you who want to improve your English further, we have special workshops. Their purposes vary from enhancing your speaking and presentation skills, improving reading skills, to boosting your TOEIC scores. In Workshop A, you will learn about basic and advanced presentation skills and practice a variety of presentation types, such as small groups and poster sessions. In Workshop B, you will learn to use skimming, scanning, and in-depth reading, using a variety of sources such as essays, newspaper articles, and transcripts. In Workshop C, you will learn and apply advanced techniques to improve your TOEIC score. By taking this course, you can learn about business communication. If you are dreaming of studying abroad, Workshop D prepares you for studying at Thompson Rivers University in Canada, including TOEFL or IELTS test preparation and practical conversation practice for campus life.
I put myself this environment of these classes. So, of course, there is so many students who high level skills of English. So, I believe that this experience connects to my growth.
Before I entered this university, I have been studying English for many years, but after entering this university, I learned expression of English. We talk with each other and with my next friends, and yes, we did many practical English talk. Before I learned this class, I had little nervous, worrying about talking English, but after I studied this, after I learned those classes, Yes, I came to confidential about speaking English.
Join us. Learn more. Start your English journey with AIT Institute of Technology's English Language Program. It's more than just a language, it's a whole new world.